The Math Reasoning Inventory, or MRI, is an online formative assessment tool used to assess number sense related to whole numbers, fractions, and decimals. The research-based assessment includes written computation and interview questions created to reveal how students think and reason mathematically, and it's free. Written by Marilyn Burns and a team of 5 other MRI authors, the assessment is designed for the purposes of informing instruction, monitoring progress, and identifying students who would benefit from number sense intervention. To begin assessing students with Mathematics Reasoning Inventory, visit www.mathreasoninginventory.com. You will need to register in order to be able to access the assessments and data reports. When you register to use MRI, you have the option of signing up either as a teacher or as an MRI manager. If you are interested in using MRI to assess your own students, you will sign up as a teacher. As a coach or administrator, you may be interested in viewing data from a group of teachers, and in this case, you can sign up as an MRI manager and invite teachers to link to your account. In either case, teachers have access to their own class data. During the interview component of MRI, teachers are provided an opportunity to extend and deepen their understanding of what is already known about an individual student. It is not necessary for the teacher to interview each and every student using the MRI, but to interview only those students who would benefit from gleaning more information about their numerical reasoning. In the classroom, teachers should plan for when the interview will take place to assure enough time can be provided. Although there are options to record the most common strategies for each assessment item, teachers can also record any additional comments or misconceptions beyond what is assessed formally. Although the interview could be done one-on-one, all interviewees could complete the written computation at the same time, and it can be analyzed once their interviews are completed. As with most online assessments, there are some benefits and some disadvantages of using the Math Reasoning Inventory. Everything a teacher needs to complete the assessments is available on the website. All materials, including question cards and computation documents, are available for download and must be printed prior to assessing. Teachers have access to individual and whole class reports, as well as item analysis information. In addition to resources used for the administration of MRI, there are other supporting materials which can be explained later in this video. The assessment is only recommended for grades 4 through 8. As suggested by the Common Core Standards for Mathematics, students should demonstrate proficiency prior to 6th grade in all areas addressed with the MRI. Each individual assessment, whole number, fractions, and decimals, is administered in a one-on-one interview and can take up to 20 minutes each. This time commitment makes it difficult for classroom teachers to complete with all students in a timely manner. Although there is an FAQ page, I'd like to highlight some of the questions and concerns teachers may have before or during the use of Math Reasoning Inventory. What if a student asks to use paper and pencil? It is suggested that the teacher ask the student if he or she can solve the problem in a different way without using paper and pencil during the interview. If a student cannot, it's okay to skip the question and move on. The goal of the interviews is to assess the ability to compute and reason mentally. During the interview, how can I record specific information about students' faulty reasoning, misconceptions, or partial understanding? There is a field for extra notes. The notes you record will appear in the assessment review report. Along with a variety of data reports available, there are other resources as well. There's an option to view other resources that can support the administration of Math Reasoning Inventory. For example, the video library includes clips of actual interviews that can be located in a search by question. In addition to the video library, there's a direct link to the Common Core State Standards for Mathematics, as well as a list of related print resources and DVDs, and even links to recommended websites. These resources are recommended for continued instructional support for developing students' numerical proficiency. The authors welcome any comments and questions at any time. Just click on Contact Us and enter your text. If you're looking for a research-based tool to assess number sense with your intermediate students, check out Math Reasoning Inventory.